How to add social links on your Roblox profile. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a Roblox application in your device. If not, head over and launch a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure that you are signed in into your account. To add a social link on your Roblox profile, it is pretty simple. Once logged in your left hand side, you will find the option of More, that is a three-dot icon. You can select on the three-dot icon. From here, head over to Settings. Tap on Account Info. Scroll down to the bottom where you will see the option of Social Links or Social Network. Here you can add your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and more. If you want to add your YouTube ID, just open up your YouTube channel and at the top from your URL address, copy your YouTube URL link and just paste it over here. You can change it by editing a little. Then once you are done, you can enter the visibility option. Is it set on no one? You can set it on friends or everyone as well. Once you are done, just tap on the Save button at the bottom. That is how you'll be able to add your social link on your Roblox profile. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.